Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I welcome you all to the 18th lecture. It's well known to you that we have been studying the presentation skills, and I have been talking to you since the day first till now on the topic of presentation skills. In presentation skills, we have covered so far the definition of presentation, the parts of presentation, and we are discussing the elements of an effective presentation. Right now, in this video, I'm going to talk about the very important part of elements of an effective presentation. This element, this object, and this part of element is facial expressions. Now you can understand the meaning and the definition of facial expressions from the word itself. Facial means something that is related to your face, and expressions is well known to you. Basically, in presentation, it's very important that the speaker, that the presentator, that the person who is on the dais, the person who has got the stage, and the person who has come to talk on the topic must have kind of control over his or her facial expressions. Couple of days back, I was reading somewhere, it was written that almost 70 to 80% your facial expressions work in your presentations. There's no denying the fact that yes, it is the truth that facial expressions work a lot. How it will feel and how you will feel basically when you will be on the stage, when everybody will look at you, when everybody will gaze at you, everybody's center of attention will be your face, your personality, your gesture, your body language, your words, your confidence, your delivery, your content. Each and everything will be under the attention of audience. What if you come on the stage with weird face, with worried expressions, and with sudden expressions on your face which don't appeal your audience? Definitely your audience will have an idea that you are not prepared, you do not have kind of authority on your topic, and you cannot speak confidently and so on. So through one thing, there is facial expressions, your audience can come to know whether you are confident or not, whether you can talk or not. You might have experienced many great speakers. How do they come? They come very calmly, they will come very easily, and then they come on the stage, they stand, first of all they make an eye contact with the people, and then they start with smiling face, and they open their beginning of the presentation, and then they go with their middle and ending. So in all these parts of presentation, they try to make their facial expressions very strong, they try to make their facial expressions very much attractive, as their audience must like them. I still remember once I went to Faisalabad, to attend the declamation contest there. I watched many speakers there. I experienced them. I observed them, their delivery, their content, their performance, each and everything. The thing that attracted me a lot there, it was when one of the students from Punjab University came, and he stood behind the rostrum. The moment he stood, he had an eye contact with their audience, with his audience for you know 12 to 15 seconds. Just he came and stood and looked at his audience for 10 to 15 seconds. Now I really liked his gesture, because this was the moment he was trying to connect his eye contact with audience. He was trying to let their audience know that yes, I am confident and I can talk to you while looking into your eyes. So this kind of point attracted me a lot. Well, so facial expressions are very important. Now facial expressions vary uh, according to your situation. For example, you're going to talk about the topic of death. Definitely you will not be smiling on while delivering your talk on the topic of death. Definitely you will bring certain gestures, certain expressions on your face which may which may be in contact with your topic. You will not laugh there, you will not smile there, rather you will try to get your expressions connected with your topic. Once you get your expressions connect with your get your expressions connected with your topic, then what happens basically, you try to build a link with your audience and your topic. So facial expressions are carried out in accordance with your topic, but you need to have, you need to deliver, you need to basically you need to have positive facial expression on your face when you're talking to them. What it will do, it will basically give you a sign of positivity, not only to you, but it will give a sign of positivity to your classmates, to your audience as well, to your classmates as well. So facial expressions are very important. Once you're on the stage, you need to be calm, you need to have a smiling face. After this video I will be telling you that how what kind of things we should do when we are on the stage, and what kind of facial expression we should apply when we are on the stage, and what kind of things that we should do when we are on the stage, and what kind of things we should avoid when we are on the stage when it comes to facial expressions. Right now, my question to all of you is, ask yourself that what kind of facial expression do you apply when you are on the stage. Now go in front of mirror, talk to yourself, and look at your expression, that how you give expression to public. Are they appealing one or not? Till that, stay blessed, stay safe, stay at your home. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz.